Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have it's a window cover kit kind of thing here. So this is supposed to go onto my window somehow and make it like a shade, like a window shade. It comes with, I guess, all these different pieces and parts. I'll have to look at the instruction in here. I think it's going to be right in there. So let's see what it looks like here. So it's got here, it says take out the hook and hook it on the shade hole, place on the other side, and then mount it up there. So for back seat mounting, it looks like we can do some stuff too. So let me go mount this up here onto my window and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, this isn't gonna work necessarily for my car, but I'm gonna show you guys how it will work. So this here is the mounting rail, and you would mount this up inside the car like so. And then this is the curtain. So then you'll be able to have it and be able to close it up like that. And then when it's up here on the rail, you can just open it like that and close it. And then, so if you have a little child in the back seat or something and you don't want them to be getting too much sun, then this will be perfect for that. So how cool is that? So it's a nice device. I'm unable to be putting it in my Tesla currently, but the concept is solid and it comes with all the little pieces you need. And it gives you even double-sided tape so you can make it more permanent when you need to. So pretty cool little device. Let me show you here. This is what it's going to kind of look like here. So it'll be, you know, little curtains for your little baby sleeping. So super cool. Thumbs up.